Welcome back, guys. I'm glad you tuned in to see this because I have something great going on for you guys today. But first, let me talk about these two cars. So, as you guys been watching, I've been working on this car. Overall, awesome car. It's just not good for the roads. The reason why is because it's super low. There's no clearance. See this car? Yes, lots of clearance, lots of shot, okay? So I am going to be putting a gimbal system in this one so that I can FPV. This car overall is just better, okay? And also, if you guys help me hit 2,000 subscribers, share my videos, like my videos, get it in the algorithm, one of you guys can win a complete set, okay, of what I'm working with in this little fella. Head tracking unit, everything with the gimbal, okay? And the full price will be at the end of the video. So, yeah, we're gonna be putting a system in here, and we're still gonna keep this one. We're just gonna use it for drifting at like a basketball court or something like that. Somewhere where it's flat, smooth surface, okay? The thing is incredibly fast. It's just not good for like on road. You hit a pothole, that's it, you're flipping. That's it. This is a monster, it's a beast. Listen to the gears. Listen to the gears in this. Smooth. Okay, it's mod 1 gears in there. This thing is geared to the moon. Plus I'm running that Castle Creation 1515 inside there, 6S, okay? I might put it up to 8S or even 21S when I figure out how I can get the dual motor set up in the back. Yeah, I know it's overkill, but you know, it's a Traxxas / 2-wheel drive. I'm trying to see how much you can actually do with it. Anyways, so that's it. Well, see you guys at that 2,000 subscriber mark for the win of the Walk Snell Avatar GT kit, Walk Snell Goggles L, and the Caddx Gimbal series. And this is the 3, all right? 3-axis. Not the single axis, not the dual axis. 3-axis. Holla.